Twitter, Blue Sky, and all the internet nonsense. Twitter is on life support and Blue Sky is ascending. But what exactly is Blue Sky? Why is everyone so obsessed about it? And is it any good? How did Elon Musk manage to shake up Twitter so fast, so quickly? Well, I'll get you all the answers in the next couple of minutes. Welcome to yet another episode on Decoding Tomorrow's Tech today with me, Sawan Kumar, the show that keeps up with the internet nonsense so that you don't have to. What is Blue Sky? So, Blue Sky is the word of the week. It's what everyone is talking about. Launched officially in 2023, Blue Sky is a brand new social media site that's essentially a competitor to Twitter, founded by none other than Mr. Jack Dorsey, the previous founder of Twitter. It basically is Twitter. You open it up and it's like stepping back into what Twitter used to be. Blue Sky is what there would have not been any changes what Elon Musk brought into Twitter, in addition to rebranding it to X and aiming it to make it an everything app. But before we dive into those changes, a quick announcement. I am now on Blue Sky, and that's where we will be skeeting from. Yes, skeeting and not tweeting. So if you are looking for a new place to yell nonsense at us, that is the spot. Big deal, right? Well, in the wake of the recent US elections, Blue Sky has rocketed, gaining 1 million users in a week and reportedly adding 10,000 new users every 15 minutes. Now, those are my type of numbers: 1 million new users in 1 week, 10k new users every 15 minutes, and number one app ranking on app charts for over a week now. Currently, Blue Sky sits at number one on the app charts and has held that position steadily for about a week, which is pretty impressive. Meanwhile, Threads is at number 4 and X is down in the 80s. So the reason for Blue Sky's popularity? Blue Sky's initial invite-only status drummed up excitement. Now open to everyone, users are flooding in. Many no longer want to be on X, the everything app. Elon Musk has altered X significantly in just a year and a half. Part of Blue Sky's surge is due to its initial invite-only status, which drummed up excitement. Not that it's open to everyone, users are flooding in. But it's not just that people want to be on Blue Sky, it's also that many no longer want to be on X, the everything app. It's quite stunning how much Elon Musk has altered the platform in just a year and a half. The changes on X. Elon Musk has been pushing certain accounts, including his own, to the forefront of user feeds, regardless of who you follow. It's become increasingly difficult to open X without encountering content that's well less than uplifting. Additionally, links have been demoted, so if you are a video news service wanting to share YouTube's link, X might penalize you for that. The user migration journey, if you see, on Twitter, users looking for alternatives. Threads, a brief migration happened, and then Blue Sky was the final destination. You can design a platform like that if you want, but you can be surprised if people choose to leave. Many users don't want to log on to a social media site and feel mad or sad all the times. After the election, there was a sort of gold rush where users sought alternatives to X, especially as Elon Musk publicly supported certain political figures, which some found putting. Initially, many migrated to Threads, Instagram's attempt at a Twitter clone, but users quickly realized that Threads felt a bit planned, more like Facebook, with lots of engagement bait and less dynamic content. So they shifted again, this time to Blue Sky, and many seem to like what they have found. Moderation on Blue Sky is something that is very interesting. Some extreme accounts that were popular on X have tried to join Blue Sky and are getting banned immediately. It's surprising because these users had a platform on X where they could say almost anything and even monetize their content. Yet, they still want to be on Blue Sky. It seems they thrive on interaction, especially when it involves provoking others. Echo chamber dynamics. Well, Truth Social launched no mass influx of opposite viewpoints trying to invade that space. People were content to let it be its own thing. Echo chamber term irony. X has become an echo chamber centered around one individual whims. Blue Sky's approach. Moderating extreme content while open to various viewpoints. Blue Sky allows following mainstream outlets like The Times but draws the line at accounts promoting harmful ideologies. Perspective. Until recently, most platforms didn't allow extreme content either. Some of the user base comparison. Now you might point out that Twitter still has vastly more users than Blue Sky, and that's true. So some of the user engagement insights. Well, Twitter has a lot of engagement. Blue Sky is just starting up. Twitter on X claims to have around 259 million users compared to Blue Sky's 18 million. But numbers don't tell the whole story. Many Twitter users are passive. They don't post much. The platform relies heavily on a small group of power users who generate most of the content. If those power users start leaving, as they seem to be, then the platform's viability diminishes. Customization features on Blue Sky. Attracting active users. Blue Sky, despite its smaller user base, seems to be attracting those active users who drive engagement. And it's all about customization. You can have a straightforward chronological feed of people you follow, or you can create custom feeds based on your interests. User-friendly navigation. Well, usernames can even function as URLs, making it easy to navigate. Being an open source platform as well, it brings in a massive difference. The future of Twitter. Well, Twitter's potential decline. If Twitter does not change course, it might continue to decline. User experience deterioration. The user experience has become less pleasant for many. Problematic features, monetized blue checks have led to replies filled with bots or irrelevant comments, which does not help. And gradual change. Twitter is not going to disappear overnight, but changes are needed to prevent further decline. But I would love to hear from you. How do you feel about Blue Sky? Are you on it? Are you still using X? Let me know in the comments below. And I would love to hear from you. If you have already signed up or if you are looking to sign up on it, I would love to hear from you. And maybe in the next video, I'll be sharing my experience on using Blue Sky.